It's Harry Box of the Technical Trader at techtrader.com. It's Wednesday, November the 9th. These are the charts of the day. A pretty ugly reaction to the election and cryptocurrency problems. The market took a dive today, a sharp one too. But there are still several stocks that are moving and reversing it or taking off. I wanted to show you a dozen or so. Apps, which is one of our big winners in 2019 and 20. Completely crashed just since last November from 94 down to today's spike low at 10.5 range. And then spiked to 1340 after hours today, probably on earnings, and looks to me like a big, massive reversal that could hold. His targets are 15, 16.5, 17, and beyond. ARRY broke out with a thrust and a breakaway gap over a little mini inverse head and shoulder neckline right there, and backed off a little bit, but still, I think this is on its way to 24 to 28, your next targets. Nice inverse head and shoulders, breakaway, pullback retest of the neckline, and a little inverse head and shoulder breakout, as I said. Again, targets are at 24 and 27. AXON, that AXON is the former Taser. And you can see how this stock has been spiking, and today, of course, exploded from 158 to 178, finished 172 up 22, 15% gain, big volume for that stock, and likely momentum forward 190 to 200. BITI with problems in the Bitcoin realm, and this is a short ETF, exploded from 34 to 47, finished 45.75 up 598 or 15% today. Maybe some additional momentum that takes it up near 50 or so, but it may need to consolidate in this zone. For Fslr, it's been stellar since July when it took off in a 60 range and went up to 160 plus. Now 100 points higher. You can see the pullback that held support at the prior highs from the November early peak, maybe consolidating this zone. Today was up 330. Still looking for 175. Next is GRWG, the grower or purveyor of growing equipment for the marijuana industry. The last 2 days spike on big volume is taking it and broken it out above all three moving averages, declining tops line. The lateral resistance getting up to the second area of zone and closing in that zone. It does follow through 6 and 6 3/4 of your targets, but it may need to consolidate. MACK went bazookas today, 45 million, up 205% on 34 million shares, and 45 million shares, sorry, and you can see that it closed at the upper end of the range. It's a very solid, strong biotech news and approval. Normally, we'll see this kind of move. We'll get a ascending channel or at least lateral consolidation before we go higher, but I think it will. MDRX now up 4 days in a row and exploding off the lows near 14. Tag 1774 today. That's in a resistance zone, but if it gets through here, we're looking at 19 and 21. Love to see it consolidate and set up a nice pattern. Beautiful base. MODN spiked 36 to 40, finished 39.11 up 294, 8%. Volume was 629,000 shares. You can see this is the highest level it's reached since July of last year. And it's right there, and it's near the top of the channel. If momentum carries it forward, you may see mid to high 40s. OM with a very similar to GRWG and apps, big engulfing reversal day today. A new low at 11, only to explode to 1649 and finish at 1490, up 343 at 30%. Volume was 2.4 million, one of the bigger we've seen all year. Needs to get to today's high above 16.5. You're looking at 18.5 and 20. Peri with a big earnings report and a nice pop, and then a pullback. But I believe the pullback is a buying opportunity. This is a new tech trader swing. We had this on there. Made a lot of money with this one. I fully believe this is a $26.7 stock and then 31.32. TH, after a 3-month consolidation after a strong run, may have popped out today. Finished at 12.14 up 117, 11% pop. Targets are 14.5, 15, and then 17.18. VERU, inside day today, but it was halted early on FDA committee reviewing the drug. Basically, it popped from here and explosive move could take place. You might see mid-20s or more Stay tuned. We're going to find out shortly. And that's it for the Tech Trader charts of the day. That's it for me. Have a great evening, everybody. Talk to you tomorrow.